Hello everyone Thank you for joining us. Thanks for being on the show today. And to all my students who showed up today, thank you very much. I think we'll have a lot of fun today. It's something a little bit different and it won't take up too much of your time at all. So for those who aren't part of the class, I invited anyone who is a teacher or a lecturer out there to join us so they can see how this class runs. It's really straightforward, it's really simple, and you'll see how we can actually play games online, collect data with students, and then the students can actually discuss them and write up reports with them as well. This is the game that we'll be playing called Xenon Crowe. So if you haven't already downloaded it, please download it now. Open up that app, and I want you to go in the upper left-hand corner. There's a little notepad button. So hit that button up in the upper left-hand corner, and then you will type in that your class code, which is BIOS 2011. All in lowercase, BIOS 2011. So bring that up, and that will link everyone's data to the dashboard. And it's automatically going to collect everything, and we'll have a little bit of fun, and we'll be able to take a look at the data later. Xenon Crowe is a game set out on another planet. Hence the cool background. I'm in space. Now, the game itself takes place in a cave. So, you guys are crows on the planet Xenon. Your job is to live as long as you can. So to do that, you have to find a whole bunch of different prey items in that cave to survive as long as you can. So we're going to have a little bit of competition. If you guys want to be part of the competition, there's underneath that class code button, there's another little icon that looks like a little person. Hit that and put in a name in there. And that way we can take a look at the leaderboard later on to see how everyone's done. This is a game that uses your accelerometer. What that means is you have to move your phone around to actually find things. So the first thing you got to do is move your phone around so that you can find that play button and hit that play button. Once you do, start looking for prey. To do that, once again, you'll be moving things around. And then what'll happen is you might see something, you want to hit that magnifying glass to go on in, you can strike and then eat something. So you want to try and eat as many things as you can to survive as long as you can. There's our leaderboard, the opposite way. Yeah, so you can see Aliyah up on top, minimum, and then Eileen, glucose, abalone homie. Now, we're gonna actually just refresh this real quick because my son's just finished, and yes, you just beat out Aliyah. These are the sorts of data that you collect so quickly. So up here, there is going to be your survival time. And you can see that survival time kind of increased, as we went along. So you can see that on average, players got better as the game progressed. Players got better because if you take a look at that second graph is the camouflage graph. You can see that as you got better, you started getting better at finding all those camouflage bugs. And if we look down here, that is the number of, we'll look at the pink graph first, and that is the number of poison bugs eaten. Those are the ones that actually took away your life points, that ended up harming you, even though they were really, really easy to find. And what you end up seeing there, that you guys started eating fewer of those. Hopefully, folks, you understand, I'll make myself a little bit bigger again, what this game is all about, how these things kind of work. For those who are interested, you can hit me up. Well, you can hit me up on the socials, and I'm happy to talk to you about the game. So lecturers and teachers, anybody who wants to use this in your class, I can tell you how to do so. It's really, really easy. Hit me up on any of those socials. Thank you very much for joining us, and we'll leave it at that. Thank you, everyone. And of course, Aliyah, way to go. You kicked butt. Catch you later.